Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to open on-screen keyboard in a Windows 10 PC or laptop without using any keyboard. We use only mouse. So let's go to our video. First go to the start, right click on the start or go to the start, and here we find settings. Click on these settings options, click on settings option. In settings options, scroll down and find easy of access. Click on easy of access. In easy of access, right hand side we find many options. Scroll down and here find keyboard. Click on the keyboard. Here we find keyboard. Click on the keyboard. Here scroll down and find use the on-screen keyboard. Here we find use the on-screen keyboard. It is off. Click at here. Now it is on. Wait for a few seconds and new virtual keyboard or on-screen keyboard is appear on screen. Use that keyboard as your keyboard or virtual keyboard or on-screen keyboard for your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.